What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S10 Spigen TOUGH ARMOUR case. I'm going to try it on my new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I will also give you my opinion on whether the case is good or not in case you decide to buy one. This case is form fitted to fit the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and it provides an ultimate everyday protection with a stable mounting that can be used for watching videos. The buttons and the cutouts around the sides of the case are very responsive. The buttons are easy to click. The cutouts does not prevent your charger from charging your phone. The front cutout does not prevent the front facing speakers from booming as loud as they can. Overall, the case is good. It provides good protection. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a 360 view of the phone with the case on it, and I'm going to give you my opinions on what I think of this case. This case is awesome. It provides good protection for your phone. The cutouts does not interfere with anything. The buttons are very clicky and responsive. The speakers are loud. The case does not interfere with it. It provides good protection. The case does not interfere with the screen protector that came with the phone. I've taken it on and off so many times and it never interfered with the screen protector that came with the phone. I'm going to put the link in the description section in case you decide to pick one for yourself. Again, I would recommend this case because it provides good protection. It has a kickstand. The buttons are responsive. The cutouts are awesome. They don't interfere with anything. They don't even interfere with the screen protector that came with the phone. So overall, this is an awesome case that will definitely protect your phone from damage.